This is my second post from VersaClimber. I got a new one because the first one I got sent squeaked real loud and the base plate was stained. I just received my second post, set it up, and the same squeaking sound is audible. At this point, I am not happy with the quality VersaClimber is sending me. So I'll be contacting Sergio, who I've been working with, to talk about ways to fix the squeaking and if this is what they consider smooth and quiet as they advertise on their website, versaclimber.com. Thank you. Bye.